on you. It's so cute.
Here. I'm a tree. You do not know me. I don't have any apples anymore. This is my last one. I'm a tree. You do not know me. No. That was my last apple. Get off. No! I'm a tree. Oh.
It's got sharp, pokey things.
Random pern Weldon. That one for the horse. No. Nope. What are you doing? That's a
He's inspecting you.
He just bit my shoe. That's what he's doing to me right now. I am a tree. I am all gone with apples. There are no such thing as apples anymore.
I think I didn't film it. I was too busy watching to watch what my hand was doing.
I am a tree. You do not know me.